So today we are going to discuss how to achieve free certificate from Atal Academy and Atal means website. First we will search on Google Atal Academy, and it will lead to atal.org and so on. The website official website link is given in the description format, and once you log in, you can create your own credentials, and using these credentials we can have the user name and password. So I have already registered on this website. It will be very usual process to register yourself, and then you just type the user name and password. It will give the certain portal and certain web link. Now we are having the several parameters on the left hand side, and here we are having applied workshop profile. Your general information is given here, and this is the basic information given here. And once we click on the recent scheduled FDPs, faculty development program, so you can see that on the basis of month, on the basis of year, what kind of FDPs are scheduled by several IITs and NITs. And the best part is they are having very veteran faculty members and teachers. Those are conducting these website, and 5 days, six means 4 to 3 this one sessions are there. On the basis of these sessions we can have the certain schedule every FDPs. You can check their websites, relevant website as well, to check the authenticity. But I'm sure that they are very much authentic, very much useful, informative, and so on. So sometimes I have noticed that Google personal means those are working in Google, Microsoft, Accenture, they are they are offering the session in their FDPs. So for the whole year you can attempt only maximum 4 FDPs. Now once you have applied for the FDPs and it is approved by the organizer, it will be shown here in this portal. So in this portal we are having June 7, June 21. In the previous days I have completed these means FDPs, and in FDPs you can check your attendance respectively. So the organizer or the team leader is going to insert your day wise attendance. I'm very much underlying this mark, and very much sure about the this one attendance, that they are not going to mark feedback or the attendance portal until unless you have actually listened the lecture. So once the attendance is marked, feedback is marked, then you can check your feedback. Tiny questionnaire is there, or few questions are there, and you can check your responses. Just insert the responses and you can check the means you can give the feedback of the relevant FDPs, and it by assigning 4, 5, and so on. So it will give the respective error and respective. You can give the first best person and the second best person using drop down menu, and they will give all the names those provided the session. And in the important documents, it's the least important what they are going to insert, that is irrelevant to your domain. And so let's move to the test marks. Once you have obtained 60% marks, minimum 60% marks is required in order to obtain the certificate. If you are not obtaining more than 60%, 60% or more than 60%, then 100% sure your certificate will not generate. It is very much sure. I'm 100% sure these IIT and NIT professors are not going to issue your certificate until unless you score 60% or more than 60%. Okay. So in the few examinations using Google form or in their own portal they can have their usually most of the times they are having Google form kind of, but the questions are not going to search on Google. If you search these questions because it's an online question paper and you are going to search these questions on web based search engine, I'm 100% sure that you are not going to find. Let's move to the certificate section. Once you completed all the formalities like feedback, attendance, test marks, everything done by the coordinator at your end and your organizer's end-to-end process, then your certificate will be generated. And these certificates are very much useful in future also. They are valid for lifetime. You can just download anywhere anytime, and successfully uploaded, and in the format of PDF they can provide the certificate, and it is going to generate every time. And if you want to convert these certificates, here I am having my certificate, and this code is very much authentic again, and you can check using this code, you can check the authenticity of this certificate as well. So I am just copy this code, certificate number, and just paste on the their verification port. On the home page you can check verify your certificate. As of now this link is not working. I don't know what's the reason. There might be working process and the symptoms, and once it will be running condition, you can check your certificate number. And in order to avoid fake and unauthorization process, they have given this number. So one more certificate I have secured, I have earned from this website. And after 5 days website, it's a very much hectic schedule, and I'm sure you will learn a lot about these workshops, and it is having it is going to impact a lot. So it is going to generate the certificate again, this another workshop, and it is having the certificate like download the certificate in the format of PDF, and so on. You can certificate and certified your certificate. So here we are having the second workshop. You can check the number again on AICT website, and it's a valid national wise.